Welcome to this video tutorial on writing a methodology for a project thesis. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a comprehensive methodology. The introduction section of your methodology should provide an overview of your research project and explain the purpose of your study. It should also highlight the significance of your research and the research questions you aim to answer. Next, we have the research design. The research design section outlines the overall approach you will take to conduct your research. It includes details on whether your study will be qualitative, quantitative, or a combination of both. You should also explain the rationale behind your chosen research design. Moving on to the population of the study. This section describes the target population or group of individuals that your research will focus on. It is important to clearly define the characteristics and criteria that determine who is included in your study population. Now, let's discuss sample size. The sample size section explains the number of participants or units of analysis that will be included in your study. You should justify your chosen sample size based on statistical considerations and the objectives of your research. Next, we have sample techniques. This section explains the methods you will use to select participants or units for your study. You should describe the sampling techniques you will employ and explain why they are appropriate for your research. Moving on to the research instrument. The research instrument section describes the tools or measures you will use to collect data for your study. This could include surveys, questionnaires, interviews, or observation protocols. You should explain the validity and reliability of your chosen research instrument. Now, let's discuss the method of data collection. This section explains how you will gather data from your participants or sources. It could involve methods such as interviews, surveys, observations, or document analysis. You should provide a clear explanation of the steps you will take to collect data. Finally, we have the method of data analysis. This section outlines the techniques and procedures you will use to analyze the data you have collected. It could involve statistical analysis, qualitative analysis, or a combination of both. You should explain how your chosen method of data analysis aligns with your research questions and objectives. By following these steps and providing clear explanations and examples for each section, you will be able to craft a comprehensive methodology for your project thesis. Good luck with your research!